Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. You know, I'm always trying to figure out what can I serve at Memorial Day weekend, because I usually have people come out at the cabin and we usually play games and we have parties and we love to just sample food all day long. One of the recipes I came up with that I actually got from a friend, and I love it because I love that Mediterranean flair to it with basil and pesto and that type of flavoring. And so I'm going to show you real quick how to make this easy recipe. First of all, what I'm going to do is I actually cooked all my pasta already. I just took rotini. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my basil pesto sauce to it. And this you can get in our produce department. I'm going to mix that in there. Okay, and then I'm going to add my sun-dried tomatoes. And then I'm going to add my mayo. And again, you can use Miracle Whip if you want to. It's just a preference thing. And I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. Now, I always like to put extra pepper in just because I am such a fan of pepper. And I'm going to mix this all together. So at the very end, I'm going to just add the black olives, and I'm going to lightly just mix those in there. Now, I've got it all completed. I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator and let it chill for an hour, and it's going to be ready. But in the meantime, I want a refreshing glass of lemonade, so I have got some Simply Lemonade that I always have had before, and I absolutely love it, but they also have peach flavor. So I am going to enjoy a glass of peach flavored lemonade while my salad is in the refrigerator waiting for me to sample. Have a safe and happy Memorial Day weekend, and we'll see you soon. Enjoy.